Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already paired the watch. Now act. On your iPhone, open Settings and tap Screen Time, or use the Watch app under My Watch. Make sure you have the Screen Time passcode available. If you don't, sign in with your Apple ID to reset it. Once you're in Screen Time, tap Downtime immediately. This is where the restriction lies. Do not navigate to focus yet. Downtime is separate. You're starting the process now because disabling downtime on the iPhone is the single effective control for the watch. Once done, toggle downtime off or edit the schedule and remove start/end times so no active window remains. If you see per day settings, make sure each day is cleared. One leftover schedule reactivates downtime. Also check share across devices. If it's enabled, your iPhone and watch inherit the same rule, so disable it if you want independent behavior. If a screen time passcode prevents edits, use Apple ID recovery or enter the passcode. This step fully removes the active restriction source. To finish, restart the iPhone and Apple Watch so settings propagate. A forced restart of the watch can clear a stuck state. Make sure both devices run current iOS and watchOS. Updates often fix sync bugs. If downtime persists, check family sharing. An organizer can enforce screen time remotely, so have them remove the schedule. As a last resort, unpair and repair the watch. That resets synced settings. If nothing works, contact Apple support, but usually disabling downtime and restarting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.